Let's get legendary. All right. For all who have watched the movie for Dragon Ball Super, and to those who have enjoyed Dragon Ball Fighters, you remember when I first drew the legendary Super Saiyan Broly a few years back? Well, we're drawing the same fighter that was on Dragon Ball Super and Dragon Ball Fighters. Any reason why I have explained this before, and why I'm drawing this again? Well, for starters, I haven't gotten the complete photos for Broly. The same went with Cooler. Well, now I do. Now I'm redrawing the two fighters that were in the Dragon Ball Fighters game. And now I'm giving it another chance. This time I'm finally going to draw the full model for Broly himself. From what I've learned, this form of Broly is known as Ikari. Sort of like a transformation while still at his base form. If you saw the Dragon Ball Super movie, just to remind you, every time I go to the library, the one that's where my buddy Ty and I come to meet, I often think about that movie. Even at night. Anyways, Dragon Ball Super Broly is a movie that debuts as a movie for Dragon Ball Super, where in this form of where Goku and Broly met. Broly was first transported to a planet known as Vampa, and his father, Paragus, followed him there and trained him for some sort of reason. Anyway, on planet Vampa, Broly had a few good times there. Like, for starters, he befriended one of the aliens that live there, a creature known as Ba. Yeah. amazing, isn't he? Anyways, Broly's power is unlimited. He can transform into a legendary Super Saiyan. Legendary Super Saiyans are a legendary being that's, let's just say that they're really rare on the Saiyan race, because they have the power to turn their hair green. It's sort of a fascinating transformation that he has. On Dragon Ball Super, Broly will have the chance to master this power. He even turns Super Saiyan 3, and then later Super Saiyan God. Well, first Super Saiyan God, after that was Super Saiyan 3. Alexa, what is Dragon Ball Super Broly?
Dragon Ball Super. Broly is a 2018 action film starring Masako Nozawa, Aya Hisakawa, and Ryo Horikawa. Goku and Vegeta encounter Broly, a Saiyan warrior unlike any fighter they've faced before. The film is 1 hour and 40 minutes long. The movie has a rating of 7.7 out of 10 on IMDb based on around 29,000 votes, and is rated PG.
From what I've learned, Goku has been a really great teacher to Broly. And to this day, the two became friends. There is a lot of experience that Broly has gotten to learn about. And to be honest, I'm proud of how far he's become. Anyway, here's Boz Pelt. Alexa, what is the legendary Super Saiyan?
According to fandom, Yumoshi is an ancient Saiyan who could transform into a Super Saiyan long before Goku could.
Alexa, can you tell me about the legendary Super Saiyan?
According to fandom, Yumoshi is an
Alexa, stop. Sorry about that. Let's see if we can upgrade this. Alexa, who is Broly?
Broly is a fictional character in the Dragon Ball media franchise. 2 different versions of the character exist. The original Broly, a major villain created by anime screenwriter Chikara Koyama, who appeared in a trilogy of 1990s Dragon Ball Z anime films. Broly, the legendary Super Saiyan, Broly, Second Coming, and Bio Broly, followed by a newer and reworked version of the character by series creator Akira Toriyama that debuted in the film Dragon Ball Super, Broly, where he initially served as one of the main antagonists, and eventually a supporting character in his later appearances.
Basically, Broly, my favorite movie from the Dragon Ball series was Bio Broly. And this guy, I like him as well. I hope we get to see Bio Broly in Dragon Ball Super. And as for this form of Broly, he looks amazing. Let's see. Now that I've both drawn Broly and Cooler, my series, well, I finally gave them a second chance. Hopefully I'll get to draw more characters like this soon. Don't worry, folks, now that I've drawn these two, I can finally draw new characters. Anyway, that's all for now.